Let's discuss a question from thermodynamics. Okay, this is a question regarding the constant volume and constant pressure line on a TS diagram. Which of the following is true? Okay, now if you recall the TDS equations, because from there is what the TDS equations will be useful in drawing for any process. You can useful in finding out TS diagram. TDS equations will be useful. Now TDS is du plus PdV, that is first equation, and the other equation is TDS dH minus VdP. Now for ideal gas or superheated vapor, the assumptions, we have these set of assumptions, that is du will be mCp dt and dH will be mCp dt. That is how du and dH are related. Now I'll use for constant volume this equation. Now constant volume dV will be 0 and this equation will become ds is du, which is mCp dt. Now this happens, now du you can substitute mCp dt only when you have the ideal gas and the superheated vapor. So in that case, so why am I using this? I basically want dt by ts because that is the slope, dy by dx. When you're plotting in a TS diagram, y is t and x is entropy. So dy by dx is something which is a slope. I need the slope. dt by ds is t by mCp. So that is your slope SV. Okay, that is one thing. Now going by the same logic, constant pressure implies Tp is 0. So TDS is dH. How do I get? Now I need to convert dH. So I'll use mCp dt into TDS. So now dt by ds will be t by mCp. So that is the slope in a constant pressure process. So this is SP. So you know that the specific heat at constant pressure is more than Cp. So going by this, I can say that T by mCp will be less than T by mCp, because denominator is more, the numerator, the entire thing will be less. So it means that Sp, which is the slope here, is less than Sp. So if you plot two processes from the starting point, they'll appear like this. Okay, the higher slope will be your constant volume because it's T by Cp, and this is constant pressure. So the slope for the pressure will be lower than volume. So that is the thing. So B is the answer. Constant volume slope will be higher. Thank you.